In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Descript projects effectively using folders in your Drive workspace. Let's dive right in and see how creating a simple yet efficient folder system can save you time and effort in managing your projects. First things first, we'll start from the Drive view in Descript. The goal here is to bring some order to your projects and ensure that everything you need is just a click away. To begin organizing, locate the option to create a new folder. You can do this either through a menu at the top right corner or by using the clearly marked New Folder button. This is where we initiate our organization journey. Now, let's talk about naming these folders. The key to a good organizational system is meaningful and descriptive folder names. Think about how you'll recognize the purpose or contents of a folder at a glance. For example, if you have projects for a podcast, you might name a folder Client Name Podcast. Or, if you're working on a series of video blogs for the year 2025, something like 2025 Vlogs would work well. For social media content, you might go for Shorts, Social Videos. Tailor these names to your personal needs, but keep them consistent so you can find what you need later without any hassle. Once you've set up your folders, it's time to move your existing projects into them. This step is crucial to tidy up your workspace. Look for the project you want to move and click on the three-dot menu, which gives you additional options. From there, select Move To, then choose the appropriate folder where you want your project to reside. This is all about grouping similar projects together so you can streamline your workflow according to different categories or clients. To enhance your productivity even further, there's a nifty feature you might find very useful: starring or favoriting folders. This allows you to pin the most frequently accessed folders to your sidebar, granting you quick navigation whenever you need it. It's as simple as finding the folder that you often use, right-clicking on it, and then selecting the option to mark it as a favorite. This way, all your important workspaces are right there at your fingertips. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have your Descript projects organized in no time. This method of using folders, combined with the ability to star important ones, will simplify your workflow significantly and help keep your creative projects neatly ordered. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips take some of the stress out of managing your digital workspace. Stay organized and stay productive.